Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're with Nigy boy. Yeah, man. Nigy boy entered the chat on the storybook with him. Yes. Same day with options. Make up yourself again, Russian. I'm gonna jump in the one and see where Nigy boy is, man. Let's go. Nigy boy, options, storybook with him. Let's go.
Russian, tell her get it out her mind, get it out her thoughts. This meaning, we don't talk. You coulda give your life to Jesus or work with spirit. It's either my way or the highway. Girl, me just make things real clear. No come here so with your feelings. Who tell us me want love? Baby, me just want a one and done.
Wait no man. Who tell us say boss want love? The boss just want, hey, you know depend that with them woman. Get to their brain.
Get it out our mind, get it out our thoughts. This meaning.
It's my way or the highway.
You coulda give your life to Jesus or work with spirit. It's either my way or the highway. Girl, me just make things real clear.
Remember, say the G don't tell us I'm a continental girl is from them time then. No. So right now, nobody come try love it thing with me, mom. I don't depend that with you.
My way or the highway. Girl, me just make things real clear. No come here so with your feelings. Who tell us me want love? Baby, me just want a one and done. Your choice if you want, give me some. Keep your heart, man, not ready for settle down.
Yo, I'ma tell you straight. So nobody gonna try entangle with him and feel say you go get what you want after him done make it clear what him want, you know. Big up yourself, Nigy boy. Yeah, you see clear what you want. No, did I just say see? Let's go.
Your choice if you want, give me some. Keep your heart, man, not ready for settle down. Your friend a move like she woulda make it coochie run. I see, so you never notice. From other day she inna me DM on me.
Your friend want peace. Sometime, ladies, sometime when you find a man and him deal with you good, sometime it ain't good to tell your friend now. Cause right now, your friend want peace and Nigy. Yeah, that's how Nigy I say listen again.
I see, so you never notice. From other day she inna me DM on me. So she want put it on me panny front seat. Up like book and make me read her story. Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man, I start Russian. Tell her get it out her mind.
Nigy boy enter the Riddim. Riddim big up. Bumbo clap.
You coulda give your life to Jesus or work with spirit. It's either my way or the highway. Girl, me just make things real clear. No come here so with your feelings.
Move on there.
Who tell us me want love? Baby, me just want a one and done.
Hold on. Oh, Nigy boy I read newspaper. I'm gonna pick up on this. I'm gonna see that. Oh, Nigy I read newspaper. Nigy, how the fuck you read newspaper? Tell me, talk to me. Why? You have to piss with Nigy. You have to fucking piss with
Tell me want love. Baby, me just want a one and done. Your choice if you want, give me some. Keep your heart, man, not ready for settle down. Your friend a move like she woulda make it coochie run. I see, so you never notice. From other day she inna me DM on me. So she want put it on me panny front seat. Up like book and make me read her story. Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man, a star boy, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call the next.
Yeah, man, if you're not on the coochie, if you're not on the pum the pussy, the punani, just know say there's plenty out there. That's what the song is called, options. Options with the S on the end, options.
Star boy, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call the next. Calm down, no fool yourself. Remember everybody have a duplicate.
Don't trick yourself.
Options, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call the next. Check it. Nothing me afraid for go there with your sister or your mother. It no matter, let that register.
No feel say the G afraid for go there with your mother or your sister. No feel say you're that off limit. Them are female, them will get it. Them will get it. Know that.
Nothing me afraid for go there with your sister. Or your mother, it no matter, let that register.
Yeah.
Bring in your ears like a viral hit song. If you need some time to love, you better check a wristwatch. It turn around like
you need some time, just check our wristwatch. We don't have time, just check our wristwatch, mama.
Sister, or your mother, it no matter, let that register. Bring in your ears like a viral hit song. If you need some time to love, you better check a wristwatch. It turn around like we a play cricket match. Sink it deep in your middle, let me fall in a quicksand.
Yeah.
No offense if my cause a little friction, but if a band you want to build, go check back the bill down.
If a band you want bill, if a relationship you want bill, if you want bill something special, no bill yaso, go check Bobby bill and me not bill nothing with your mama. Me want live in your middle and sink it like a quicksand. Me want hit and run like a cricketer, not the chance you hit and run. No.
If my cause a little friction, but if a band you want to build, go check back the bill down. Hey, calm down, cool your jets. Me no give a damn if you want to vex. Man, I star boy, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call the next. Calm down, no fool yourself. Remember everybody have a duplicate. Me have options, better don't forget. If you not give it up, then me call the next. Baby, me just want a one and done. Your choice if you want, give me some.
Yeah.
Keep your heart, man, not ready if you settle down.
Yeah.
Your friend a move like she woulda make it coochie run. Yeah. I see, so you never notice. From her daddy, she inna me DM on me. So she want put it on me pan the front seat. Up like book and make me read her story. Pages after pages, fully clothed until we're naked.
Every song on the fucking rhythm bad, bro. Every song on the rhythm bad. Every song on the rhythm bad. No Nigy boy has entered the chat. I know there's more rhythm left to drop. Probably this week, the more song on the rhythm left to drop. Even this week. Who are leading the rhythm phone so far? Who are first, second, and third? Comment section, get active for me now. Nigy boy, big up yourself, bro. Big up your fucking self. What can I say? What can I do? Nigy boy, big up yourself, bro. Ladies, I'm not trying to say anytime when I approach Nigy boy, I approach with caution. But I approach in a relationship, nothing. I'm go check Bobby Bill after that. The man don't tell him that already. Yeah, I hit around the G deal like cricketer. One runs there. Until it build up. Yeah, that's what the G talk about. So you know the where you there, Nigy boy, big up yourself. Rizzy, big up yourself. Yes, man, you direct it. Russian, big up your fucking self. Storybook Riddim. Agwan! Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice of the real artist progress I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.